What if I told you that the biggest SEO wins today aren't even on Google? In the AI era, search is everywhere, and if you don't adapt, you'll get left behind. Today, we're diving deep into SEO Mastery, how to win in traditional search, AI overviews, large language models, and multi-platform search. You'll learn why most businesses are optimizing for the wrong things, how to future-proof your strategy, and the one architecture mistake that can kill your rankings, even if your content is great. But even the best SEO can't save you if you make this one architecture mistake. I'll show you how to avoid it in the next video, so stick around. Hey, I'm Fran AI, the digital avatar of Fran Barbero, founder of OnlineMarketer.ai. Every script here is researched and written by Fran himself, with over 10 years of experience building audiences, running brands, and helping service businesses grow. I'm here to deliver it clearly and fast so you can actually use it. And before we dive in, if you want the exact tools, copy-paste prompts, and full training I use to run this channel and my business, join my free Smart AI Business Hub. It's our private community for entrepreneurs and business owners, packed with tested tools, practical tutorials, and a network of people growing in the AI era. Links in the description. Most people think SEO is just about getting to the top of Google. But here's the truth. Search is everywhere now. People search on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, even inside AI tools like ChatGPT. If you're only optimizing for Google, you're missing out on massive traffic and leads. The new SEO is multi-platform. Google is still huge, but YouTube is the second biggest search engine. Social platforms have their own search, and AI tools are starting to recommend businesses directly. If you want to be found, you need to show up where your customers are actually searching. For example, when I started, I focused only on Instagram. It worked until it didn't. When the algorithm changed, my business crashed. But when I started showing up on Google, YouTube, and even AI tools, my reach exploded. The lesson? Diversify your SEO. Don't put all your eggs in one search basket. But here's the twist. Most businesses are still using outdated SEO tactics that don't work in the AI era. I'll show you what actually matters now. Artificial intelligence is changing how search engines work. It's not just about keywords anymore. AI overviews, large language models, and new algorithms decide what shows up, and they care about different things than old-school SEO. The key to winning now is understanding how AI-powered search works. It's about structured content, clear intent, and building authority. Large language models and AI overviews pull from multiple sources, not just your website. They look for clear answers, strong EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trust, and brand mentions across the web. For example, if you want to show up in AI overviews, you need to structure your content with clear headings, concise answers, and summary boxes. If you want large language models to recommend you, you need to be mentioned in industry roundups, have strong reviews, and show up in trusted sources. It's not about stuffing keywords, it's about being the best answer everywhere. But here's the danger. Even if you do everything right, one architecture mistake can destroy your rankings. I'll show you how to avoid it in the next section. If you only optimize for one platform, you're vulnerable. The businesses that win are the ones who build a presence across all the major search engines. Here's the playbook. Google. Optimize your website with clear structure, fast load times, and local SEO if you are a local business. YouTube. Create videos that answer real questions, use strong thumbnails, titles, and descriptions, and link back to your site. Social. Use keywords in your profiles and posts, and create content that gets shared and saved. Artificial intelligence tools. Make sure your business is mentioned in industry lists, review sites, and trusted publications. The key is to build authority everywhere, not just on your own site. But even the best SEO can't save you if you make this one architecture mistake. I'll show you how to avoid it in the next video. Quick pause. If you're tired of juggling a dozen tools just to manage your business, you need to check out HighLevel. It's the all-in-one platform I use for my website, funnels, email, SMS, CRM, booking, payments, and even AI-powered chat and voice. No more duct tape, no more missed leads, and right now you can try it free for 30 days using my link in the description. I'm an affiliate for HighLevel. If you sign up using my link, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and in return, you'll get my complete Smart AI website training program and over $7,000 worth of bonuses. I only recommend tools I use and trust. If you want to build a real system, not just chase tactics, check out Go HighLevel below. So, here's the big takeaway. SEO isn't just about Google anymore. In the AI era, you need to show up everywhere your customers search: Google, YouTube, social, and even inside AI tools. Focus on structured content, authority, and multi-platform presence. Here's what to do next. Subscribe, like, and hype this video if you got value. It helps more entrepreneurs find this training and helps our channel grow. Join the free Smart AI Business Hub. Link in the description. You'll get tools, prompts, and the full training series, plus access to our free masterclass for business owners who want to use AI to grow. And most importantly, don't miss the next video in this series, because even the best SEO can't save you if you make this one architecture mistake. I'll show you how to avoid it in the next video. Click the next video that's popping up on screen right now to keep learning and shortcut your growth in the AI era.